Hi everybody, and welcome to Vanessa, My Life, My Journey. I am here today. I have the YETI cooler with me and a regular cooler, and I am going to do a test to see which one of these coolers will keep the ice the longest, and I'm going to do it right here with you guys. So I didn't really clean the coolers out first because this is just a test. I'm gonna pour It's kind of late in the day, so each cooler is gonna go through the same thing. So each cooler has a bag of ice in them, and I will be checking this tomorrow, putting them out in the sun and demonstrating to you the process and seeing which one holds the ice the best. Is the YETI all it's cracked up to be? So we'll be back. Hi everybody, and welcome to Vanessa, My Life, My Journey. I am back with the Blue YETI and Rubbermaid test of a bag of ice. The ice has been sitting out in the sun on concrete all day long, both of them side by side. So I have some results. And I think pretty much Rubbermaid is going to be down for the counts. So it's been pretty much almost 24 hours, but not exactly 24 hours yet. And this is the Rubbermaid cooler. Yesterday I put a bag of ice in each one of them. So the Rubbermaid cooler bag of ice has turned to water. So that is that. Now let's take a look at the YETI and see what we can see. Do you see what I see? So the YETI, I don't know if you can see that, still has ice in it. And this has been sitting out. This is, I don't know how hot it was today, but somebody said it was like 100 and something degrees yesterday, so it didn't feel as hot as that today. I know we were in the 90s, so we do have still ice in here, but it looks like this ice will probably just last through tomorrow, but we will see. So the Rubbermaid is out for the count, so the only one that's in here is still the YETI. So at least a bag of ice in the YETI looks like it may last 2 days. We'll see. So again, this is like 24 hours. So we're gonna close this back up, put this back in the sun, and this was out in the extreme sun. This was not inside of my van. It was not in the shade. It was out in the heating sun on a pavement, and so yeah, so it was out in the most weather that it could possibly be in. So that is it for the results on that, you guys. So I will come back tomorrow around the same time and show you the Blue YETI, and I might show it too. I said Blue YETI, and show you the YETI inside. I might show it to you tomorrow, just out in the sun, so you can see how hot it is. And let's see, like midday, what it's looking like. Okay, talk to you later. Okay, you guys, this is the end of the test. This is day 2, and the ice cooler, the YETI, it's been out in the direct sun, 198 degree weather, you guys. So this is in a direct sun, 2 days, no ice. So I may do a test in the future where I keep it in the inside of my vehicle and see how many days a bag of ice will last. I'm going to see if my friend would allow me to keep it just a little bit longer. And if he does, then I'll let you guys know.